Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So while we have Jeremy here, we thought we would do a couple more videos, and one of them was going to be about the growing Alchemist process and how you go about choosing the products that are correct for you to build a system of products to use. So there are a few steps there. The first one is cleanse, and then there's treat. Maybe Jeremy should tell it because he's the expert here.
The second one is detox, and then the third is activate. And so essentially what we're talking about here is in the cleanse and detox space, it's about restoring function to the skin cells. Really, really important. Once you have that function, we can activate it. So I want to spend a little bit of time just talking about cleanse and how to do it really well. It's the most important part of your process. If you get it right, everything else works better. So cleanse. First part of cleanse is using a product which is a cream-based cleanser or an oil-based cleanser. This product's got a thing called plantago in it. Plantago comes from the plantain fruit. Plantain is very hydrating, very soothing to the skin, but it also exists perfectly in an oil-based cleanser. Why is oil important? At night, when we renew, we excrete oil for our skin. Essentially, it's the waste of the skin. You need to remove that in the morning. It's oil. Oil emulsifies oil. That's why you want to use a product that is oil-based, because you can work with the oil and remove it, and then you can do your cleanse. So we have a two-step cleanse process. The first really, although it's cleanse, it's really remove. This product is a great remove product. All you do is take a quarter size, maybe a dime size amount of product in your hand, you splash a tiny bit of water on that and apply it directly to dry skin. Start working it into the skin, massaging the skin, increasing the circulation in the skin, really physically. Once you've worked that in and you feel like you've covered your face and you've activated and started emulsifying the oils in your skin, you rinse that off. Follow immediately with what actually is the cleanse part. It's a gel-based foaming cleanser, gentle gel cleanser, beautiful to use. Apply it to wet skin like you would a normal foaming cleanser, and then rinse. And that will give you a beautiful cleanse. Once a week, we recommend using an exfoliant and a mask. These should be used together. This is like a shampoo and a conditioner. An exfoliant is really important, and a physical exfoliant we recommend is really important because it removes the dead skin cells. This product uses a fibrous ingredient that comes from the konjac tree. It's the root of the konjac tree that we ferment, and we actually, it comes into a little ball. When you apply that to your skin with pressure, that ball breaks down with water and pressure. It's not like a willow bark or a quartz or a volcanic product or a walnut shell that is aggressive and hard. It's soft. It won't cause your skin to have fine abrasions and damage. So it's really important to make sure your physical exfoliant isn't going to scar your skin. Then you use a moisturizing clay. This clay is phenomenal. It's actually one of the only clays in the world that you'll feel after you've used it, your skin is still hydrated. These two together once a week will help renew the skin and set you up for a great week of healthy skin. So that is, in short, a 4-step cleansing process, 2 that you do every day, 1 that you add in weekly, and that kind of completes your cleanse regime.
Awesome. So yeah, we'll leave it at that for step 1. I think that's a good video right there. We'll talk about the other ones later maybe. So yeah, all those products are available online at shopmasc.com, and of course come see them in the shop if you're in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.